Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share the LV bags. Yes, the version of the bags include two bags. One is small and this one is big. Yes, now let me show you the detail of the bags. Yeah, this is the big one. You can see here is the strap. The strap can be removed and it is adjustable. Yes, it is adjustable. Yes, here you can see. Yeah, it's adjustable. And now I will show you the hardware. Yeah, the hardware. Yeah, you can see the logo. Yeah, it's golden. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. You see, the strap can be removed by this way. Yeah, you see. And now let me show you the back. Yeah, here's the logo. Every logo is very clear. Yeah. And you can see the bag is made from leather, calf leather. Yes. And the monogram pattern. Yeah, the flower, every logo. Now, yes, the side. Yeah, and the bottom. Okay, this side. And now let me show you the back also. The L logo. Yes. Now let me show you the inside of the bag. Okay, this is the inside. Here's a small pocket. There's a label. Yes, the label. You can see. Yeah, the pocket. And there's a code number. Yeah. See the code number. Yeah, the code number. Yeah, very good. Okay. So this is the bigger bag. And now let me show the small one. Yes, this is the small one, like this. Yeah, the strap combined chain and leather. Yes, metal chain and leather. Yeah. Okay. This is the hardware. The zip. Yeah, the zip. Also. Okay. Also, it has the label, the logo label here. Yeah. Okay. Now let me show you the inside. Yes. Yeah, it's this is a label. Yeah, the logo. Yeah, the logo. And the code number. Let me find the code number. Yeah, can you see? They are small. Here's the code number. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the bag, it's nice. Okay. Now let me show you the box. Yeah, this is the box. Okay, some accessories, the silk ribbon, and the cards. Yes, and the instruction book. The dust bag. Yes, the dust bag. Okay. If you are interested in the bags, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.